What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe and comment below. Today I'm going to talk about piggybacking or authorized credit lines, authorized credit users. Building credit can be difficult. If you have no payment history, creditors will not be quick to lend you money. A credit card builder loan or a secured credit card can help you establish credit. However, you might also want to know about piggybacking credit. This is when you become an authorized user on another person's credit card for the purpose of building your credit. This strategy might not work because some credit card issuers do not report the activities of an authorized user to the credit bureaus. If you are completely new to credit, your first piggybacking option is a significant other, close friend, or a parent who is financially responsible. And this is probably the best way to go. Sometimes, however, you do not have these options. Then what? Over the past few years, credit card piggybacking services have come up. When you apply for these services, you will be made an authorized user on a stranger's credit card for a fee. So what should you opt for? In most cases, piggybacking will not go according to plan, but it can boost your credit a little. You may be disappointed to learn that some credit card companies will not report your activities, and if they do, it will be an unpredictable. Sometimes your positive history will go to the original credit card holder's report and not your own. If you do not want to face any of these difficulties, consult the credit card company and see if and how they report your activity. A lot of people will not easily make you an authorized user on their card. What if your irresponsible financial habits damage their score? However, you also need to be choosy. If the cardholder pays their bills on time and has low credit card utilization, your credit will be positively affected. If their irresponsible spending negatively impacts your credit score, you can ask the credit card issuer to take your name off the account and request the bureaus to remove the account from your report. Types of credit piggybacking. Traditional piggybacking. With this type of piggybacking, you talk to a trusted relative or friend and ask them to make you an authorized user on their credit card. Their credit card payment history will start to appear on your reports. You might not even have to use the card yourself for this to work. Another thing, you don't have to send a card to that person if you add them as an authorized user. For-profit piggybacking. There are companies that can help you piggyback on another person's card. Two people being paired up are usually strangers and you must pay a fee. This type of piggybacking can be risky. It is wise to be added only if you trust the account holder, except it is not easy to trust a stranger. Is it worth it? FICO discourages this type of piggybacking. The FICO Score 8 model reduces the benefits of trade line renting. For-profit piggybacking can also make you an easy target for ID theft because when applying, you must disclose much of your personal information. And another thing, the best way to build your trade lines is primary trade lines. I have other videos on that like My Jewelers Club and New Coast Direct. Also unsecured credit cards if you want to build primary trade lines. It's almost like the authorized user accounts. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel and podcast. See you guys next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.